So, because I am a horrible vlogger, I forgot to do an intro. So, welcome to the vlog. Yeah. It's so nice just being able to come down here, like, when it's raining. I don't know why, I think this is just me, but because it's a conservatory, the rain splatters on the plastic, and so it like amplifies the rain almost, and I love it. I love it. I just love being surrounded and being able to hear the rain. I look like I've been punched. I don't know why, I just like it's like when I get woken up by thundering or raining at night. I just wake up and watch it. I don't go back to sleep or cover my head with a pillow, try to get back to sleep. I love it. My hair's a mess, so I'm like hiding it. I like the sound of rain, I'm weird. So what? There's a cat on the worktop that just made me jump. It has just amplified by like 10. Can you hear this right now? I love this. I want it to get heavier. I like it when it's loud. It's nice. I think I'm going insane. I'm gonna stop now. Bye. I was doing a photo shoot and I cracked my phone. So I actually cracked the edge of the phone. Now I believe that's only the protective case though, which I'm so thankful I actually had that on. I don't think I actually cracked the actual phone itself. I think it's just a hairline on the protective case, but oh my god, my heart sunk and when I saw that as well. Thankfully it's not bad, but I definitely want to get a new case on this as soon as possible so nothing like that happens again. Hello, yes, I know my hair is still wet, it is in the process of being dried, but I just wanted to quickly show you something. If you guys ever get the chance to go to Body Shop, because I don't think they have it in America. So if any of you people who live in England happen to cross a Body Shop, make sure to get this olive body butter. That's what it looks like on the thing. It is the nicest smelling product I think I've ever had. Now I don't like olives, like I don't like to eat them. I don't think they smell nice or anything like that. They just look revolting to me, and like the actual olive. But this is like, oh, it smells so nice. And I would honestly eat this if I could, if it wouldn't be really dangerous. I would actually eat this, but it's so nice. So yeah, just maybe next in Body Shop, I highly recommend go get it. At the moment they're doing a deal where you can get free for £25, which is pretty cool. I didn't do a very good job shaving. Oops. Buy it now. I love the colour as well. It's not like that doesn't. If I see that, it doesn't remind me of an olive colour. It reminds me of like, it's almost like a turquoisey kind of colour. And olives are that colour. That colour is not that colour. So yeah, it's really nice. Recommend it. So we are making some more brownies. Smooth. Good.
Very, very good.
Good. We are so fat. I have a really bad spot right there, and I popped it. It looks like I have a cold sore now.
I took 8,000 steps. Oh no, I took 2,000 steps, sorry.
So, Ashley bought a scratch card.
Because a fortune cookie told me to. Well, he didn't tell me to. He says I'm going to find fortune if I bring the piece of paper what it says on there with me.
So, how do you win on this?
Find the pair to win the prize shown immediately below the pay symbol. That's the ticket.
Right, let's see what we win.
Well, people, it doesn't say pay. Let's try number 2. It doesn't say pay. Let's try number 3. Well, none of them say pay so far. Well,
Last one.
get your predictions, people. Write in the comments before you see it.
Where's the fly? Nope.
Yay! I win nothing.
Thank you.
Katie.
Thank you for that. I have a friend coming around today, and I don't vlog. Like, she was around here before, like in like week 2, I think, when I first started vlogging. This is really low. Hold it up. And so yeah, I don't vlog with her or edit or anything like that. So it's actually Monday today, and I should have had another day's worth of filming, but because she's come around today, it's going to be uploaded a bit early, and also it's going to be a bit short just because of that reason, but I think I'll only be like a minute short, so it's not too much to worry about. Anyway, I hope you like this vlog. If you do, watch it and watch the next. Bye. And just like we started it, what are you doing? Are you trying to scare me? If I can see your reflection in the mirror. Get back up there. What did you do? Were you trying to scare me?
No.
Do you want some cookies? Come here. Come here. I have 2 cookies. It's your own fault for trying to scare me. Say please.
Give me cookies.
Say please.
Give me cookies. Please. Thank you.
Stay up there. As I was just saying, I'm going to end it like I started it. It's been an